Class 10. I am starting today's new topic, new chapter, arithmetic progressions. Here we see the many sequences like 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, 27. It means each number is increased by 5. 2 plus 7, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 5, 12 and so on. In the next series, 3, 9, 27, 81, etc. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81. This is a sequence. Next one is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. Each number is a square of natural numbers. 1 is square, 2 is square, 3 is square, 4 is square and 5 is square, so on. Next, 45, 42, 39, 36, so on. Each number is decreasing by 3. 45 minus 3, 42, 42 minus 3, 39 minus 3 and so on. Each number is obtained by subtracting 3. These are the sequences. What are the sequence? When an arrangement of numbers has a pattern which can suggest the successor of every number in the arrangement. The list of numbers is called sequence. In all sequence, we can predict the next number. Similarly, 39 minus 3, 36, 36 minus 3, 33. In each sequence, we can predict the successor of next number. This is the sequence. In every sequence, the number at the first place is called the first term and the second place at the second term. First term denoted by generally T1, A1, B1, etc. And second term T2, A2, B2, etc. Then let us observe the following sequences. Next, see here, 2, 5, 8, 11. Each number is increased by 3. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 2, 4, 6, 8. Each number increased by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each number increased by 1. 10, 20, 30 increased by 10. 100, 90, 80. Each number decreased by 10. These are the APs. Because the difference is same in each term. These are APs. In arithmetic progression is that sequence of the numbers in which the first term is given and each term other than the first term is obtained by adding or subtracting a fixed number to the preceding terms. In the AP, you can get the adding by some fixed number or the subtracting the fixed number. The first term A denoted by A and the difference is denoted by D. That is called common difference. A fixed number is known as the common difference of the AP. The common difference is usually denoted by D. It can be positive, negative or 0. The difference can be 0. Difference can be negative in this term. Negative in each term is positive and the same number written as it means common difference is 0. All these are the APs. We can write an arithmetic progression in general form, whose first term is A and the common difference is equal to D. The first term A, second A plus D, difference at A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. T1, first term, T2, A plus D, T3, A plus 2D. Up difference T2 minus T1. This number minus by this, we get D. The T2 minus T1 D, T3 minus T2 D, it means the difference is same. If the first term of the AP is 0, if this will be 0, A equal to 0, the sequence becomes 0, D, 2D, 3D. And if difference becomes 0, then the series becomes A, difference 0, all the terms remains the same. See exercise 5.1 of NCERT book. Now, this is a first exercise. It is very easy. In which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arrangement AP progression and why? Make an AP and why? Number 1. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 per liter, first kilometer, and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. यानी first term fix है 15 and the each term increase by 8. It means it is an AP. The difference remain the same. Next, the amount of air present in a cylinder when the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. It means the difference doesn't remain the same, because if first time I have to remove 1/4 of the cylinder and next time 1/4 of the remaining cylinder, so that the value will be changed. So this is not in AP. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it's cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rises up rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. It is an AP because the first 150 and D is plus 50 in each term. The amount of money in a account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest at 8% per annum. The compound interest doesn't remain same as every year. It is not an AP. The compound interest will be changed because the principal will change, amount CI will be changed. So this is not an AP. Question number 2. Write the first 4 terms of the AP. If the first term 10, D is 10. The first 4 terms of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Like first term is 10, D and difference is 10. The first term A, second term A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Write the first 4 terms. First 4 term, first 10, next 10 plus 10, other 10 plus 2 into 10, and fourth term is 10 plus 3 into 10. The sequence will be 10, 20, 30 and 40. You can write all the first 4 terms of. Question number 3. For the following AP, write the first term and common difference. You can write the first term is 3 and common difference is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3, yani minus 2. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. The common difference you can get T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, you can get difference. And question number 4, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. First you find the difference. 2, 4, 8, 16. The D here 2. T3 minus T2 4. Here difference is 2, therefore this is not an AP. So you can check all the APs by calculating common difference. If D remains the same, it means it is an AP. Then you can write the first 4 terms A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Subtracting this minus this, T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, you get the difference same. It means it is in an AP, and then find the first 4 terms of an AP. This is a very easy exam exercise. You can solve very easily. Thank you.